Wow. All right, guys. Welcome to today's awesome analysis. Today, the Friday, 3rd November 2023. Right? So, yesterday we treated so many things. We did analysis for GU, that is the GBP USD. We did analysis for the Euro USD. We also did analysis for the BTC. I will also do the analysis for the gold market. So we tried out so many things yesterday. And today, before we go ahead to what we have today, let's see if it actually worked, if it actually played out. Right, so yesterday we established that the Bitcoin market, or the Euro USD rather, is going to go for a buy. Right, so yesterday we established that it will be going for a buy yesterday. So did it play out, or didn't it go as expected? So yesterday, after drawing our trend lines, we drew our trend lines. Yes, for yesterday. So this for the yesterday market. This for the yesterday market. Let's go to the H1 time frame. Let me quickly take away this. Right. So let's go for to the H1 time frame. Right, so this is the H1 yesterday, right? So we analyzed that the market was going to be for a buy. That was what we got yesterday. I think this was from yesterday market too. We established that if the market breaks above this resistance, it's going to go for a buy. If it breaks above, after forming this flat pattern around here, if it breaks above, it's going to go for a buy. And at the end of the day, after breaking above, what happened? The market bought down to this particular place. The market bought and bought and bought and bought to this place. It was towards the afternoon time that the market started making a retracement. The market started making a retracement, a very deep retracement in the market, because the euro yesterday was very, very strong yesterday. So the market went as expected. If you had bought the market, you will still be in profit. Yes, even though you left it to today, you will still be in profit, because the market bought hell yesterday. You can see, but after breaking above here, the market started doing what? Buy, and that was the analysis yesterday. We said allow the market to break above this particular place. After breaking above, you can buy the market, and you can see at the end of the day, the market bought. I as well capitalized on it and also made profits from the market. Right, so you can see today is Friday. Normally it's not advisable to stay long in the market on Friday. In fact, if you don't know what you are doing, or if you have something else to do, you can go do some other things, because Friday markets are usually not stochastic. They are usually stochastic, because most companies and the rest close very early on Fridays. Right, but if you are to trade today, so where are we headed to? Well, let's still go to the G2 to see what we have there, if market went to a direction, right? So the GBP USD, can see the market actually went to a direction too for yesterday, after closing with a dragonfly doji on Wednesday night. Thursday, look at this, it bought yesterday. The GBP USD went to a direction too for yesterday, for Thursday. Yes, for Thursday. So today, what is expected from the market? And the gold market too. The gold market, let's check for the gold market. The gold market, we established that it will also be for a buy only if it breaks above the resistance. That was the agreement, that was the analysis yesterday. So only if it breaks above the resistance, that the market will be going for a buy, and the market will be going for a buy. Right, so we actually wanted it to go for a buy in the yesterday, so we actually wanted it to go for the buy yesterday. Right, so yesterday it was just still in the range. It never went to the it never broke out yesterday. It was just touching the resistance zone. So there's still possibility for the market to break above. Right, so just all you have to do is just to stay close to your chart, especially gold trader. Just stay close to your chart. Yes, buy the market only when it breaks above. Yes, so yesterday market, the market has been ranging. Not only for gold, the Bitcoin market, after forming the ascending triangle pattern, we established that only buy the market when it breaks above the resistance. You can see it's still making the deep retracement, so there is still possibility, just making a consolidation still in the same range. So there is still possibility for the market, especially for the Bitcoin market, to do what? To break above to the upside. But the only thing you got to do is do not buy the market except it breaks above to the upside. When it breaks above to the upside, one can easily buy the market. But if it doesn't break to the upside, do not buy the market. Only buy the market when it breaks to the upside. But right now the market is still within the range, but forming an ascending triangular pattern. So let's go. So what do we now have for today? What do we have for today? Since it's Friday, remember Friday's market, they are very stochastic, so you have to know what you are doing before you go in for your buy or sell in the market. But if we are to buy today, are we going to go for a buy? Are we going to go for a sell in the market? Right. So remember, if today is your first time joining this channel, do well to like, subscribe and share to your friends so they will be joining us to for this daily trade analysis every day, to be joining us on this daily trade analysis. Right. So using the trend line for analysis today, I think from next week I will use other trade strategies too, but for today we'll be using the trend line. Today. So what are we expecting from the market? Right. So ordinarily someone will be like, oh, when the market gets back to this trend line, that's when I will now buy the market because I've missed the first entry here. You are not wrong if you wait for the market to come back to this place. But right now, euro is very strong. Not only the euro, the pounds is also strong. So waiting to this place, the market might actually get to this place today for you to buy the market. Yes. And at the same time, it can also get to this place. To be very conservative, you have to wait for the market to come back to this place before you do what? Before you go in for your buy. Then waiting for a confirmation, then you can now buy expecting something like this. Right. But this is what is going to happen. Since euro is very strong, since the euro is very strong, since the euro market, the euro is very strong in this H1 time frame, if you are eager to buy, you're very serious to buy, just wait for a confirmation breaking above, a very good confirmation, a very good candlestick showing you a bullish direction, closing above, you can go in for a buy. Yes, to be very conservative, you have to wait for the market to do what? To come back to this place. When it comes back to this here trend line, then giving you a good confirmation, you can now go in for your buy. You can now go in for your buy. But first of all, allow the market to come back to this place, giving you a good bullish confirmation. You can now go in for your buy in the market. Aside that, you don't buy the market. Aside that, you don't buy the market. But if you are very eager to buy the market right now, wait for a good bullish candlestick confirmation in your H1, then you go. Conservatively, allow the market to come back to your trend line. Allow the market to come back to the trend line before you buy, which might happen today, which might not also happen today. It might not actually come back to this trend line because euro is very strong. It might just continue forming a flat pattern, and when it's forming a flat pattern continuously, all you got to do is just to wait for confirmation, break out and you enter, break out and you enter, breaks out and you enter. So that's it for EU. So EU today, our bias today is still for a buy. Yes, but the buy we can just start buying, forming a flag continuously. That is after breaking above here, you can just continue buying, or better still, it does a deep retracement to this particular place. Deep retracement, that is, it's going to sell for some time to this particular place before it continues the buy. So all you have to do is just to wait for confirmation, for a breakout in the market and the confirmation before you go in for your buy or sell. You don't just go buying or selling without these confirmations in the market. Yes, conservatively wait for the market to come back to this place. Aside from that, you just leave the market. Today is Friday. There is no need to stay in the market for long today since it's Friday, right? So that's it. So that's for Euro USD. So we move to the GBP USD. The GBP USD too for today is still for a buy. The GBP USD for today is still for a buy. You can see the market is forming higher highs towards the resistance zone. The market has high tendency of breaking above. So for today, the market is still for a buy. For today, the market is still for a buy. Right, so all you have to do for GBP USD, allow the market to break above. If the market breaks above to the upside, you can go in for a buy. But if it doesn't break above to your upside or to the upside, you don't buy. So what do you expect, or what are you expecting from the market? Allow the market to do something like this, breaking above to this upside, somewhere like this. That is giving you a candlestick confirmation. You buy. That's just what you need for GBP USD. You don't necessarily need to wait for the market to do a deep retracement. No. So allow the market to break out above, then you can buy the market. So that's it for the euro, for the GBP USD. Just allow the market to break out, because the market has already given us a direction in the market. You can see this is a dragonfly doji engulfing the dragonfly doji as of yesterday. Right now, look at where the market is. So there is possibility for the market to continue buying. All you have to do is just to be very conservative, just the way we established the right time. You can just wait for the market to break above, then you go for your buy. Right, so we also have our gold market. So what is expected for gold? Still the same thing. After drawing this, only allow the market to break above. If it breaks above this resistance, giving you confirmation, you buy for the gold market. If it breaks above this resistance, giving you confirmation, you buy. That's how it is for the gold market. Then the BTC, the Bitcoin market, allow it to break above, then you go for a buy. So this is your first time joining. Remember to on your notification. That's very important in the market. So as a way of recap, Euro USD today is for a buy, provided it gives you a good confirmation. Conservatively, it comes back to your trend line, you buy. Giving you confirmation, you buy. Then GBP USD is for a buy. All you got to do, allow it to break above this resistance, closing above, you buy. GBP USD is for a buy in the H1 time frame. Remember, your H1 time frame is for a buy, GBP USD. Then the Bitcoin market, only allow it to break above. When it comes back to this place, breaking above, giving you confirmation, that's when you buy the market. Then for the gold market, allow it to break above too, you buy the market. They are all buying market, but wait for confirmation. If it's gonna do a retracement, allow it to finish its retracement. But if it's not gonna do a retracement, wait till it breaks above, then you can go in for your buy in the market. So you enjoying this video, do well to on your notification, share, comment, and also let your friends to know about it, so they'll be joining us on the daily analysis. Next week we'll move into a new different direction. So thank you very much. Right, bye.